In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Tutorial for Beginners 2026 in-depth tutorial, timestamps included. Let's start by opening ClickUp. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. Sign into your workspace so you land on your main dashboard or inbox. If this is your first time, take a second to look around so you know where spaces, folders, and lists live on the left sidebar. Next, head to the space you want to work in and open its settings. A space is a top-level container for teams or projects, and it controls things like views, statuses, and permissions. If you don't have a space yet, create one now so you have a home for your work. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects the project or team using it, and make sure you're in the correct workspace before proceeding. Inside the space settings, look for the Templates area and click Browse Templates. Templates in ClickUp are pre-built setups that can include lists, custom fields, statuses, dashboards, and sometimes example tasks. Using one saves time and gives you a proven structure, especially if you're new and not sure which fields or views you'll need. Use the search bar to find something that fits your workflow and select it. You can search by keywords like marketing, software, personal, or operations, or browse by category. When you open a template, preview its details to see what it includes, statuses, fields, and views, and check any notes from the creator about best practices. Pick the option that most closely matches your process so you'll do less editing later. When you're ready, click Use Template. This tells ClickUp to prepare the import for your space. Depending on the template, you might see options for where to place it, at the space level or within a folder or list. If you're unsure, using the defaults is a safe place to start because you can reorganize later. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. This finalizes the import and builds out the structure in your space. Give it a moment to load, and once it's done, you'll see the new views and fields appear in your sidebar or main view, ready for you to customize, rename, or trim. Finally, remember, you can also create your own personal task in the spaces you created. Use the New Task button. Give your task a clear title and, if helpful, add a description, due date, or assignee. Keeping tasks concise but specific makes it easier to track progress and collaborate without confusion. And that's it. Your ClickUp space is set up and ready to support your work.